Hi students, welcome to TMR School Chandranutta Boys Fun. Let's start. Today we learn how to draw human face. For that, first we need to draw one circle with pencil, very light. Because after that these are baselines, so we need to erase after that. So that's why we need to draw the circle and one straight line, one vertical line between the circle, one vertical line, and one more horizontal line is just like plus symbol. And this is one more division for nose, and this is for mouth, this is for chin, like this. So we need to joint left side and right side. These are just baselines of human face. So these two are ears. In middle of this line, and we need to divide two parts. This is for eye, left eye and right eye, like this. We need to draw baselines very light for human face. These are the baselines, and this is for hair, forehead, hair. How to develop forehead and hair outside of the circle. So, like this. Okay. Now roughly we get the outline of human face. Now we can draw a little bit deeply, means a little bit clearly with a HB pencil. Like single line. So this is hair. Make hand very freely, very easy, like this. Okay. These are eyebrows. Equal height. Eyebrows left side and right side should be equal height, equal width, and equal length, like this. And eyes, left eye, like this. We need to measure same size, left eye and right eye, same height and same width. This should be same, and in between that is for nose, like this. Straight two lines, and to develop the nose, like this. And this line for mouth, upper lip. This is upper lip. Like this. And lower lip, like this. Chin. So little bit deeply we are developing shape of human face. Okay, left side and right side should be equal, and between eyebrows and nose, ear should be, we need to place ear. Always just observe eyebrows and nose in between. Similarly, right side, left side of ear and right side of ear should be same. Always you just observe whatever you are left side drawing. Similarly, we need to immediately same size, same measures right side. Then we can get a perfect face. Okay, eyes, little eyeball, straight view, so we kept eyeball. Similarly, same right side also. Thanks. To develop face and any drawing, we should be patient, and composition should be in our drawing sheet. Is it okay or not? The size of the face. Okay. Let's now same how I did circle, vertical line, horizontal line, one line for eyes, one line for nose, one line for mouth. Similarly, head turning left side. So like this only. Take circle and one line, right side lines. Same left side. One circle, center line, and eyes के लिए one line for eyes, one line for nose, one line for mouth, and like this. Left side, right side. The face turning, left side turning, right side turning, like this. This is straight. Similarly, as shown in above. These are the baseline. Using with baseline, we are developing human face. We can take any portrait like this only. We need to practice in starting days. We need to practice like this. Then very quickly you can get. After that we can make it as illustration. Take one black sketch or black marker, whatever it is. Just outline very carefully. Right now we need to draw very careful, because pencil we can erase, but sketch or marker we can't erase. So that's why we need to be careful. Hair, outline of hair and ears, everything we need to develop like this. Chin, jaw and chin, like neck. Okay, darken the eyebrows. Similarly, right side eyebrow, right side of eyebrow, like this. And carefully, we need to very careful on eyes, because eyes, if we did any small mistake, the total image will spoil. So we need to be very careful on eyes, like this. Like, and nose, left side, right side, and like. Very simple. Okay. And next we need to work on mouth, upper lip, like this. Okay. So baselines, using with baselines, we need to develop human face, man face, like this. Okay, understood? Thank you.